Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have some cablights for my truck. I'm gonna put them up here on the top. I already took 2 of them because it came with 10, so now I have 8. I put 2 of them, one right there and one right there, just to have a little bit of a underglow kind of thing. It looks pretty cool. Let's grab one of these and climb up and take a look what we got going on. Thinking I want 2 over here, 2 in the middle, and then 2 on that side, so we'll use 6 of them all together. And I'm gonna go grab a tape measure actually, so I don't mess this up. I get the same thing on both sides. All right, I acquired a tape measure in the best kind of Dr. Pepper there is. Sponsor me. This is gonna be kind of hard to do with one hand, but the basis is I'm gonna measure to a certain point from this and go across and do it on both sides. So I'll get back. I'll get back my pilot holes drilled, 6 of them. That's not straight. Whoopsies. So these 2 are pretty straight. Those 2 are way too forwards. Good thing that this is there's 2 plates and I just drilled through the first one. So I can just put bond over that one. I knew that I was gonna mess this up, but I didn't know I'd mess it up this fast. So that's all right. Naturally, the drill battery I have is a piece of junk, but I got a drill bit here that pretty much basically lines up. I'll have to wallow it out a little bit, but this is a pretty good starting point, and it looks pretty sharp too. So it looks like the chicken's staging a revolt over here, and Chili's kind of helping me and kind of not helping me. All right, I got the first one setting in place. I want to buy some covers for these, like the traditional covers where they just go over this. This is waterproof. It's just I don't like the way it looks. And get the actual the covers. So I'm gonna see if I can pull this back out so I can put some pigtails on it. And since I don't have any visors, I'm trying to run it through that hole and then run it behind this trim all the way down to my little switch right there. Sorry, I'm man enough to admit that this one's scuffed really, really bad. Like, let me show you. Like, oh my god. I had to take a grinder to it. Good thing I'm putting covers over the top of this. This was terrible. I'm super disappointed in myself for this. But we got lots of room for improvement. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 more chances to improve on this. Let's get it done. This one is a lot better. I mean, it's still not anywhere near good, but like pop this thing out and let's take a look. Look. That's the best one yet. One a little wide on the third one, but again, actually I can scoot it. Oh, never mind. I went wide on both sides. So yeah, this is really not the ideal way to do it, but I don't know what I'm doing, and I didn't look up the video on how to do this. I just, winging it. It could be a lot worse, I guess. All right, so I got the third one done. Here, let me just put that right in there. In case you're wondering what I do with these, is I simply drill out the hole with this one. I stick the drill in there and wallow it out, and then I take these pair of pliers. I come up and I flip the actual roof up, and then I take a grinder and grind the little things off of them. Not the cleanest method, but it's really efficient. This is the first time trying it, and I got better. Still not the best, but it's, you're not going to be able to see it, I hope. Alright, that's the last one done. I'm gonna have to buy some super glue to hold this down and then get my covers. I want to pull the truck out so I can actually get to wiring it. The reason I didn't do that before, my cord's too short. I think a lot of people have this problem nowadays. They just can't reach to where they want it to reach. Alright, hopefully I have enough wire to cause an electrical fire. I don't really know how I'm going to wire these up, if I'm going to try to wire them as one unit or just have them run over through there. So I don't know. We'll see. I think my best option, I already have these 2 wires ran down. I'm gonna put this one in there, put the positive on this wire and the negative on this wire, so it's all one circuit. I think that's the proper way to do it. Also, these holes aren't that far off. They are off, but they could be a lot worse. As is tradition, it's getting dark. Beautiful sunset, but I have to wire up this. I'm putting these two, which go to these two. I'm gonna put them right there, and this is hooked up to this, so it sends it all the way down. And then for these two, I think I'm just gonna run it down the passenger side and then run it underneath the dash, because it's warmer in the cab and it's getting really cold. Alright, so I just temporarily hooked them up to make sure that they were all working. They do work. I don't know if I'm getting blind or if one's brighter than the other, but now I just gotta do the other two. Alright, I got it all wired up. I sadly broke my trim piece over here, but honestly, I think I'll just see it broke right there, but it's super old. It just sucks that it broke. Most of it's still there. It's got a little chip, and obviously right there's broke. That's really sad, but it is what it is. This is my first time taking a look at it. That doesn't look too bad. I think it, I can't tell by looking at it if it's off or not. Well, you can tell if you look at the, so the center's off a little bit, but honestly, that's not bad. I was expecting a lot worse, so I can live with that. Well guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Just wanted to make a quick little video on, you don't have to know absolutely everything to put something decent together. I mean, it's not perfect, but I mean, look at this truck. You know, so moral of the story, get out there and just start experimenting, see if you can put something together. That's what I've been doing. Gain knowledge through working, through turning wrenches, through tying wires together. You guys can do it if I can do it. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Peace.